Good morning everyone. Andito ako ngayon sa Tagaytay, no? Meron tayong bagong bukas na pocket lots and farm lots dito sa Barangay Asis ng Mendez, Cavite. Alam mo, napakaganda nito kasi imagine meron tayong 300 square meter, tatlong slot lang po ang allotted dito sa ating realty. Right. So ito nga po yung ating location. So from SM's Save More Mendez, then dadaan tayo dito sa Chongqing. And then merong bypass road, then pupunta tayo sa bayan ng Mendez. So may nakita kayong mga pin na kulay red, ayan yung pinaka-property location dito sa Barangay Asis. Alright, so this is the physical appearance of the property right now. At makikita mo, napakalapit lang nito going to Tagaytay City, kaya maganda ang elevation nito. Napakaganda ng elevation na ito guys, at malamig, malapit sa urbanized area, touristic area. Pwede itong gawing resort, restaurant later on. Okay, so tingnan natin. This is the physical appearance of the property. So along 2-lane road dito sa Barangay Asis ng bayan ng Mendez. So it's a pre-selling lot. So konting property lang pa ito guys na for sale. So 3 allotted. So as you can see sa map natin, ito yung for sale natin na lots. At ang price nito ay pag inner lot na sa 1.9 million pesos. Kapag i-cash nyo po, mayroon kayong discount na 10%. Reservation fee lang po muna ang kailangan dito guys, which is a 10,000 pesos reservation fee. Then, ang down payment nito ay nasa 68,000 pesos. Right, so kapag cash down po ang down payment, so mayroon pong discount na 10%. Then, reservation fee na 10,000. Then, kung installment po ang down payment, mayroon po itong 10,000 reservation fee, then a down payment payable in 3 months. Tapos, the 76% balance payable for 2 years. No interest for payable for 3 years. And then payable for hanggang 5 years to pay. Yan. So, kung ika-custom nyo po, may discount po kayo na 10%. Hindi po kasali dito ang transfer expenses. So, mag-add po tayo dito ng transfer costs. Alright, so if you're interested or anyone interested to buy a pre-selling farm lot dito sa Mendez, Cavite, Tagaytay, contact us today. So once again, my name is Ray. So limited lang po ang ating listing right now. So 3 lots for sale natin. So 300, 300, 345. Okay, so message us and then pwede kayo mag-reserve na nito. Okay, reservation. So ang requirements natin, kailangan Filipino citizen or married to a foreigner, pwede din. And legal age plus kompleto ang documents. Okay, so para pa ito sa ating gustong mag-invest ng farm lot in a very friendly price. Thank you so much guys and message us today. God bless everyone.